whatever you eat when you break your fast, your body's going to try and make glucose because that is what it needs as a fuel source. If you give it a food which has naturally got a good source of glucose in it, for example dates, then it's really useful for your body to be able to get the energy that it needs much quicker than if you were to maybe have another food where it would need to go through a long process to get to glucose. Dates do have a lot of electrolytes in them as well, so like potassium, which help to improve hydration. So a lot of people will break their fast with dates and water together, which is excellent for both energy and hydration. Quite often there's not any extra need to have additional electrolytes on top of that. A lot of people can find that by breaking their fast with dates and then going to do their prayer and then coming back for a meal, your body's then kind of realise that it's actually already had something to eat, and it could help prevent the overeating because it's already started digesting. Dates contain a really good amount of fibre, and we need fibre to help prevent constipation throughout the month of Ramadan. The thing that stimulates bowel movements is eating throughout the day, eating and drinking, and if we're not doing that throughout the day, then there's less stimulation to open your bowels. So it's really important to get a good amount of fibre in the time that you can eat or drink. So they really are good foods to help tick a lot of boxes throughout that time.